Setting up your Feit smart bulb begins with downloading the Feit Electric app. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and serves as your central control hub. Next, install your Feit smart bulb in any standard light fixture and turn on the power. The bulb should automatically start blinking slowly to indicate it's ready for pairing. If the bulb doesn't blink, you'll need to manually trigger pairing mode. Before connecting your bulb, ensure your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because Feit smart bulbs are not compatible with 5G networks. Most routers broadcast both frequencies, so make sure you're connected to the correct one. Open the Feit Electric app and tap to add a new device. The app will guide you through connecting your bulb to your Wi-Fi network. You'll see options for different connection modes to ensure successful pairing. The app offers 3 connection modes. Bluetooth mode provides quick setup for single devices. EZ mode works best when connecting multiple bulbs. If both fail, AP mode serves as an alternative connection method. Choose the mode that works best for your setup. Once your Feit smart bulb is connected, you can integrate it with voice assistants for hands-free control. The most popular options are Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Setup is simple through the Feit Electric app. Navigate to the voice control settings and follow the prompts to link your preferred assistant. Once connected, you can use voice commands like turn on bedroom light or dim living room to 50%. The Feit Electric app provides comprehensive remote control capabilities. You can turn bulbs on and off from anywhere, adjust brightness with smooth dimming, and change colors if you have color-capable bulbs. For advanced control, you can group multiple bulbs together to control them simultaneously. This is perfect for controlling all lights in a room or creating lighting zones throughout your home. You can also set up automated schedules for your lights. Turn them on at sunset, off at bedtime, or create custom schedules for different days of the week. This adds convenience and can help save energy. Many Feit bulbs now support Matter, the universal smart home standard. This means your bulbs can work seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home platforms without being locked into one ecosystem. While Feit smart bulbs are generally reliable, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues. If you experience problems, try power cycling the bulb by turning it off and on 5 times. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and check that you're using a 2.4 GHz network, not 5 GHz.